Guys, for today's video, we will discuss to you, is it important to achieve the weekly challenge from Facebook? Yes, it's very important. You know why? If we are always achieve the weekly challenge from Facebook, so we will get an extra star. So, star that we will get from Facebook, we can give that one as a gift to our colleague or to our engaging content creator. So we can give as a gift to them. So for example, last week, I got 300 star extra from Facebook. So I gave this one as a gift to other content creator that I am engaging. So let's see guys how important and why we need to achieve this one. So I will check my Facebook page, Kabayan in Dubai. Previously, my profile, I achieved the how many week that I achieved the challenge, then I got extra 300 star. Okay, so we will check now in my Kabayan in Dubai. This is my page guys. All we need to do is we need to go to dashboard, see dashboard, then we will go to progression and achievement. So we need to go there. So as you can see guys, my page now is the racing creator level. So I have that one. So this is the task that we need to achieve. So at least this is my task guys. So we are different tasks. It depends on the Facebook what task that they give us. Okay, so my task, I need to get 50 followers and can create 15 public posts, which is include the text post, picture post, reels. So it's depend on you as long as you posted 15 public posts. Okay, then 500 more interaction on your post. So guys, we need to engage also, and if we engage to other content creator, they will visit also in our video and they will engage as well. Okay, and get 1150 reels play at least in 1 week. We get that one. Okay, then now in my status in the leaderboard, I number 19 and I already achieved 68%. But the weekly challenge, I have 4 days left to complete the task. Okay, so now I have 5% remaining for the strike challenge views that I achieved. So it's recorded like 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 3,000 views. This is for the achievement. Then in the star achievement, I have 33% remaining. 33% star advance challenge. Okay, so as you can see guys, so this is the exciting part. So star achievement badge and 2,500 star previous, meaning to say if I achieve the challenge this week, so I have guys still 5 days left remaining to achieve the challenge and 33% remaining. So it means if I finish the 33%, so I will get the previous, the 2,500 star. So it's the big opportunity for me to achieve the 2,500 star. I will give this one to my followers or my top fan as a gift, the 2,500 star. So receives star on new post. So you need to receive at least new posts, new videos, each you need to receive a star, 3 posts. Then receive at least 100 star this week. So in 1 week at least you receive 100 stars. So you need to engage to those people that they are giving gift. So not only for the gift that you engage to them, so you need to engage genuinely. Okay, so the 3 challenge I already done. So only the 2 that still remaining that I need to achieve. So guys, I have still 5 days left remaining. So if I finish the task, so I will get 2,500 star the previous. So I can give to my top fan and to the other content creator that engaging my videos. So this is the very important that we need to achieve the task. In my part guys, I'm enjoying to engage to the other content creator. At the same time, I'm achieving the weekly challenge and I achieve these kinds of freebies. So it's very exciting and it's good to us Okay, this is the weekly challenge that we need to survive. Yes, we need to engage to other content creator in order to achieve the challenge. So, what are you waiting, guys? You need to engage and then achieve the challenge that Facebook given to you. So, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to follow for more update and tutorial about the monetization policy of Facebook. So, bye-bye!